Welcome back to the Monkey Mischief Classroom. Right now we're going to work on the two sounds that C, the consonant C, makes. We have the consonant C with the hard K sound, like Cali cat, K, K. But we also have the consonant C with the soft C sound, as in city and scent and bicycle. So we can find C-I, C-E, that combination to make the sound, or the C-Y in the middle of a word to make the combination. And this gives us that soft C sound. So we can have the hard C, Cali cat, k, k, that says cat, cod, or cut, or we can have the soft C sound that says city, scent, bicycle. So let me hear you say, give me the hard C Cali cat sound, which says, that's right, k, k, k. Now we have the soft C sound, which says, good job.